Hello everyone, welcome to my U programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode challenge, and the challenge name is decode string at index. So you are given a encoded string S. You have to decode it, and encoded string is read from one character at a time from left to right, and following steps are taken. If the character is a letter, for example here L was a letter, so in the decoded string L is present. Then if the character is a digit, and the entire decoded string till now it's multiplied by is copied d minus more one times. For example, here till here all the characters in the string was a letter, so till here leet is copied as it is. Then then the following character was a digit, so it was this particular decoded string till now was copied this digit minus one times, which is one time again. So leet and leet will be present here, so that's why it is the output is like this, the decoded string. And similarly again, then further four digits were letters, so they were written as it is. And then again the next character was a digit, so all these encoded strings, all of the encoded string till now was copied this digit minus one times, so which will be 2, so 2 times more we will copy it. So this is the you know, these are the rules how you will be decoding the string. So what you have to do is you have to return an integer. Given an integer k, you have to return the kth letter in the decoded string, this particular decoded string. For example, here you have to return the 10th letter, so the 10th letter will be 4 plus 4 8, and plus 2 will be 10, so O will be the 10th letter. So that is what the problem statement is asking you to return. Now let's have a look at the constraints. So the length of the string will be pretty low, it will be order of 100, and the major concern here is the value of k will be ranging from 1 to 10 raised to power 9. So you have to basically solve the problem in less than 10 raised to power 9 operations, otherwise it will give you a TLE. So those of you who are new to this concept, if the number of operations of your solution exceeds or become greater than become equal to 10 raised to power 8 operations, this is a limit, operation limit, then you may get a TLE and your solution will not be accepted. Those of you who want to read further on this, I will be providing a link of an article explaining how the time complexity of accepted solution varies according to input size. So how we will be solving the problem? For that, let's consider an example. Let this be the given string S. So as you can see, all the characters till E are letters, so it will be written as it is, and then it will be repeated 5 times more. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So k is given 24. So observation which will lead us to the solution of the problem is, if previous decoded string, it was the previous decoded string before this one. Let me quickly change the color, otherwise it will become a lot messy. So it will be your new decoded string. So if your new decoded string was some multiplication of previous decoded string into some multiplier here is 6, so it will be repeated 6 times. So if that's the case and the length of the current string, newly decoded string, happens to be greater than or equal to k, then following property satisfies. The kth character in the new decoded string, let me quickly change the color. The kth character in the newly decoded string will be equal to modulo k modulo previous decoded string length. So previous decoded string length was 5, so 24 modulo 5 will be 4. So the fourth character in this particular string d will be our answer. Otherwise you can check the 24th character in the newly decoded string also. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 20, and then 4 24 d will be the 24th character. And you can see when we take modulo, and in newly decoded string also, in both of the cases the answer is same. So that's the logic of solving this particular problem. Rest we will do as the problem says or as the rules are. So we will take a variable length. This will represent the length of your current decoded string. Let me quickly zoom out so that you will be able to see a larger portion of a code. So yeah, this will represent the current length of the decoded string, or you can change this current decoded string length. Yeah, it's fine. It's changing everything. So I hope you are able to understand. This will represent the current length of the decoded string. So then you will start building the current decoded string length. Start building the current decoded string length. Then what you will do is, then you will reverse the process. Once you are having the whole decoded string build up, let's say you are having this string, then you will adjust your value of k modulo len, and also length's value will be adjusted according to whether you are getting a digit or a character moving from right to left. If let's say you encounter a digit, then you will divide your length's value, and your new length's value will be length divided by digit. And in case you encounter a letter, then your length's value will be decremented. So as soon as your k's value reaches to 0, or your k's value reaches to your length, current length, then you will return that character at that index. So this is what we are doing. We are removing the contributions of digit as well as characters moving from right to left. As soon as and also there is a little condition that is also needed to be satisfied is, so the kth character that you are searching for, it should be alphabet. If it's a digit, then it will not be your answer. So if k happens to be equal to 0, since you are taking modulo here with length, so k will never be equal to length. So if k happens to be equal to 0 and your current character is alphabet, then you will return that character. Otherwise you can return any random string here. For example, let's say return my handle of Leetcode. So let's try to submit it once. As you can see, it's working. So the code will be available in both of the languages, C++ and Java. And this time in yesterday's video solution, I forgot to add the commented code. This time the commented code will be available to you.